You are listening to a meditation from Sound Science Soul. As we begin a new year and we recognize the importance of sound, I want to offer you an exercise. This is not completely my idea, but one I've embraced recently as one to use. This is inspired by Lisa Nichols' 3 sentences that will change your life. How she fell in love with herself and overcame depression, shame, and pain after leaving an abusive relationship. And I've added my own ideas to this. The sound you hear impacts you every moment. It has the power to make you feel better or worse. And one of the most important sounds you can hear is your own voice. The internal and the external, the messages you tell yourself. Change the sound you hear and change your life. Here is your daily exercise for 2022. It only takes about 15 minutes each day, and you are worth it. First, spend a few moments journaling, write down your dreams or your first thoughts upon waking. Then set an intention for the day. Setting an intention for the day sets the pace for your day. Make the most of each and every day. What do you want to create today? Who do you want to be today? Write down 7 things you are grateful for. Start your list with I'm grateful for, and then write down 7 things you feel grateful for today. Next, write down 7 things you are proud of yourself for. Start this list with your name, so write first name, I'm proud that you, and then write your 7 things. Next, write down 7 things that you forgive yourself for. Again, start the list with your name. So write first name, I forgive you for, and then write down your 7 things. Lastly, write down 7 things that you commit to do for yourself. Start the list with your name, so write first name, I commit to you that, and then write down your 7 things. Now stand in front of your mirror and read the last 3 lists out loud while looking at yourself in the mirror, looking into your eyes. You may even want to hold your hand over your heart. Really become present with yourself during this moment. Welcoming yourself to the day, telling yourself good morning, finding the love that you can start your day with for yourself. Again, start with your first name and say you're proud that you, and say your 7 things that you're proud of yourself for. It's important that you use your name and the line that I'm proud that you. And then read the things you forgive yourself for. Again, it's important you use your name first and the line I forgive you for before you say each of those 7 things. And then read the things you commit to do for yourself. Say your name, again, of course, and the line I commit to you that before you read each of those 7 things. Do this daily. Things are changed from this point on. They aren't changing or going to change, but speak as though it has already happened, because showing up today for yourself means it has changed. You are wonderful, beautiful, and worthy. Say this to yourself, especially on the days you don't feel it or think you mean it. Don't give up. Make this year better than the last. You deserve it.